Welcome to this YouTube channel Learn Quick. I am Sharif here to explain you a problem on projection of straight line. I hope you all remember the 14 datas which we learned in our previous video projection of straight line. Now we will read the given question and identify the 5 datas out of these 14 datas so that the geometrical procedure becomes very easy in this problem. So the NP of line PQ 65 mm long. So they have given the true length of the line PQ is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So they have also given the data number 2 and the data number 3. The NQ is 35 mm above HP. So they have given the data number 4 also. The top view of the line is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Okay, so the top view inclination, that is your data number 11. Okay, so the apparent inclination of the line in top view. Okay, so they are given the data number 11. So draw the projection of line and find its true inclination with VP and HP. So they have given these 5 datas and they have asked us to find the true inclination of the line with VP and HP, that is your data number 8 and data number 9. Okay, so using these 5 data I have to find data 8 and 9. So if we compare our template, okay, so if we compare our template, so what is the first data? So the first data we all know, this is the true length of the line P dash and Q1 dash. So it is given in the question, and the distance of point P above HP. So the data number 2 and 3. So this distance and this distance, it is also given in the question. So the distance of Q above HP. So from here to here, so the distance of Q above HP, the data number 4 is also given, and apparent inclination of the line PQ in top view, that is your data number 11. Okay, so this angle, so this is your apparent line in your top view, and the angle of this, the apparent inclination of the line in top view is also given. So what we have to find is, we have to find the data number 8 and data number 9. Okay, so this angle and this angle we have to find. Okay, so let's draw and find those missing angles. So first draw a horizontal line XY. And consider a point. The distance of P from XY is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So draw the projector of P dash and P. Now draw the locus of the line, locus of the point P dash. Similarly, draw the locus of point P. Now draw the locus of Q, which is 35 mm above HP. Now name it as locus of Q dash, locus of P dash, locus of T. Now measure the true length, it's given as 65 mm, and cut an arc in locus of Q dash, and now mark this point as Q1 dash. Now draw a straight line towards the locus of Q, and you can join this P dash and Q dash, so which is the true length in front view. Now they are given the apparent inclination of top view as 45 degree. We will mark 45 degree here, and we will draw a line without knowing the distance of this apparent line, and then with the help of compass, so we name this point as Q1. Since in front view it is Q1 dash, in top view it is Q1. With the help of compass, we will measure P and Q1 and draw an arc to this apparent line. So now we got the length of the apparent line PQ. So we will make it in HB pencil. And now we will mark this point as Q. Now draw the locus of Q. Locus of Q. Draw the projector of Q, and then using your HB pencil, draw the apparent line in front view and mark this point as Q dash. Now using your compass, measure the apparent line in front view and draw an arc to locus of P dash. Now draw a straight line to locus of Q to obtain the true length in top view. Now mark this point as Q2, this as Q2 dash. Now we will dimension the given datas, the distance of P, the distance of Q, and the apparent inclination in top view, and the true length of the line. Now we use the engineering template to draw the arrowheads. Now we mark the values. The true length was given as 65 mm. The distance of Q from XY line was given as 35 mm. The distance of P was given as 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. The apparent inclination was given as 45 degree. And what we have to find? We have to find the true inclination with respect to front view and then top view. So for that we will do dimensioning of true inclination. We'll draw the arrowheads. And if I measure the true inclination in front view, I got 22 degree, and the true inclination in top view I got 40 degree. So thank you for watching this video lecture. In case if you like the video, press like button, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon. Thank you.